There are many types of aircraft tie-down knots. This one is my favorite. Take the loose end, you go around the rope and through, and then you go around the rope again and through, this time going through the loop you just made. Then you go around and through on the bottom, hold the knot together, and then you pull it tight and slide the knot down. And the harder you pull, the tighter it gets. Another reason why I like this knot is because it's easy to take apart. So around and through, around and through again, this time through the knot, around and through on the bottom, pull tight, and you're all set.